Hi guys, Yang here and I'm back with another airdrop. This one is silencio, or this is a Spanish word for silence. And then guys, if you remember diba si Grass, we will be able to earn tokens or points using our internet, Wi-Fi or mobile data. Pero dito guys kay silencio, which is that we can turn noise into actionable data that drives smarter decisions. So that means that we will be able to earn some points by noise. So noise sa background, if maingay, gaano kaingay, I think kung gaano kaingay yung environment or paligid ninyo, mas malaking rewards. Pero let's learn more about the project. If you guys want to explore, you can also visit yung website nila and learn more about Silencio. But for now, we'll go to the Play Store. Ayan, we're going to download the app. Meron siyang app guys. Actually, the app is also available on iOS if you're using iPhone. This one is Google Play. Kasi I'm using Android right now. So, what I'm going to do is just install. Ayan, so install the application. Guys, dito sa Twitter, if you check it, they have like 41,000 followers. That means na kakaunti pa lang yung sumasali kay Silencio. Actually, just last month lang yata siya nag-launch. And then siya guys yung pinakaunang project na it's all about noise. So, it's all about yun nga, kung gaano kaingay yung environment natin. Kasi diba si Grass, siya yung pinakaunang project na all about internet naman, or yan, sa internet natin. Pero dito kay Silencio naman, siya naman yung pinakaunang project. So, once na na-install na natin, click lang natin open. And then, syempre, kailangan natin mag-create ng account natin. So, pwede kayong mag-sign up using your email or Google account. But make sure guys na active yung kailangan mo nating i-check yung box. And then, continue with Google. So, make sure na active yung Gmail or email na ilalagay natin kasi di natin alam, baka mag-send sila ng verification once na nag-distribute na sila ng airdrop. So yan, sign in lang using Google account. Ayan guys. So pwede nyo rin ilagay yung referral code. Kung sino yung nag-refer sa inyo, you can enter their referral code. At pwede nyo rin i-skip. Pero guys, if you enter the referral code, you'll get 200 coin as starting bonus. So, sino ba namang ayaw, diba? So, lagyan lang natin yung nag-refer sa akin para makuha ko yung 200 na bonus coin. Uy, invalid daw. Wait, crypto brother. Ayan. Ayan, guys. So, but guys, make sure na you can also subscribe sa YouTube channel natin kasi I will post more crypto airdrops with step-by-step tutorial. Now, I just need to click continue and then kailangan natin mag-create ng username natin. So, it's up to you kung ano yung username na gusto ninyo. And then, once na account created, ayan guys, continue lang natin yan and then click start now. Ayan. To help us measure noise levels, we kindly ask to use your microphone. So, kailangan lang natin i-toggle to. Yan. I-click lang yan and then allow by using the app. Ayan. Bigyan nyo lang siya guys ng permission. And then, once na nandito na tayo sa app, guys, makikita nyo umiikot siya, no? Umiikot siya. So, dito naman, street measurement, yan. I-toggle nyo lang lahat naman natin. Alam kung saan tayo pupunta, diba? So, for example, sa market tayo or sa public tayo, mas maganda na naka-on din siya kasi mame-measure niya yung noise level. And, we can also, saan na ba yun? Ayan guys, pwede rin natin i-visit yung ibang ibang dataset. So venue check-in. Select your venue. Ayan, so kung nasan kayo ngayon, pwede nyo siya guys piliin kung nasaan kayo ngayon. I-tap nyo lang yung plus sign na button sa gitna. And for example, nasa public kayo, pwede nyong i-click yung street measurement, pero make sure na ano lang siya ha. Make sure na for example, ganito. Naka-on lang siya, diba? So, nagme-measure siya ng noise. Pag gusto nyo naman gumamit ng ibang application, pwede nyo siyang i-run sa background. Huwag nyo lang siyang i-close, pwedeng ganyan. Ayan. Basta hindi siya ma-close para ma-continue yung pag-level ng noise. And then, pwede natin i-explore. Yan, explore pa natin. Ayan. Ano pang meron dito? Yan, dito naman, ito yung natin. Ito guys, yung balance natin, total in-app coins na available sa ating account. Ayan. What else? Dito naman guys sa profile ninyo, makikita nyo dyan yung account ninyo, yung settings, yung username ninyo, kung magkano na yung total balance ninyo. And then pwede rin kayong mag-invite ng friends ninyo. You can also invite them and you can earn additional 20% of their total in-app coins. So just click it, the arrow, and then copy nyo lang yung click nyo lang yung invite friends para click nyo yung invite card or makuha nyo yung referral code ninyo. So, yan. Makikita nyo dito, guys. Makikita nyo dito yung total referrals ninyo and then yung earnings na pwede nyong kitain sa mga referrals ninyo. So, yan lang, guys. And if you want more crypto airdrops with step-by-step tutorials, you can also subscribe to this channel. And just make sure, always remember to open yung app or depende kung nasaan kayo ngayon. And then, yun lang guys. I hope to see you on my next videos. And if you want to join the project, please do it as soon as possible para hindi tayo laging huli or hindi tayo magsisi sa huli, diba? And then, yun guys. I hope to see you on my next videos. Bye-bye!